So this video is for those of you who want to make payment through bank transfer. So to do that, you go to buy now. Click on this buy now, and then you choose one of the products because that's what you're paying for. Then you continue to check it out. Then you fill in your details. The moment you fill in your details, then the amount you are making payment of is 1,019 naira. The 19 naira is because of their transaction fee, that is the platform fee. Alright, so you click on this pay now. Please do not click on this pay via bank transfer, as it will not take you to where you're going to pay. It will only give you instructions of which you may not be able to follow it through. It will be confusing for you, and that is the reason why I am doing this video, so that you'll be able to know how to do that. So you click on this pay now. So for those of you who would want to use your card, you can go ahead and use your card, but this is specifically for those who want to use either USSD or they want to use bank transfer. So you go down and click on this change payment method. Alright, so you click on the change payment method, and here you could use your USSD, you could use a bank transfer. So you can go ahead and use your USSD, or you can use a bank transfer. So I'm going to be clicking on this bank transfer now. So once you click on the bank transfer, you can see now that the amount you are paying is 1,019 naira. Remember, the 19 naira is a charge, it's not on the product. The product is 1,000 naira. So, and then the account number you have to pay to, they provided you an account number. This is it, and then the bank name is Wema, the beneficiary is seller. So you're paying to the account. Now just copy the account number, go to your whatever bank app or USSD code you want to use, paste it, and then make your payment. And once you're done making your payment, you click on this I have made this bank transfer. And please take note, do not click on this I have made this bank transfer unless you made the payment. All right, so once you made the payment, you can click on this I have made this bank transfer, and immediately you click on the I have made this bank transfer. Seller is going to take few seconds to verify and ensure your payment was successful. And once it is successful, immediately they will take you to where you get the application immediately. All right, so that is what you just have to do.